Have you ever pondered over the crucial role water plays in our lives and the challenges faced when it becomes scarce? Water, the lifeblood of our planet, is essential for the survival of every creature on Earth. It nourishes our crops, fuels our industries, and quenches our thirst. However, the growing threat of droughts brought about by climate change and human activities endangers this precious resource. Droughts are periods of unusually dry weather that last long enough to cause serious problems like water shortages. They result from a variety of factors, including low rainfall, high temperatures, and poor water management. The consequences? Devastating impacts on agriculture, significant economic losses, and even social unrest. Therefore, having an efficient and accurate drought monitoring system is vital. It's not just about predicting droughts, but also understanding their severity and potential impacts. And here's where the plot thickens. As we grapple with these challenges, the evolution of space technology offers a promising solution. Space technology has dramatically transformed our ability to monitor drought conditions. But how did we get here? In the early days, drought monitoring was a challenging endeavor. Limited to ground observations, scientists relied heavily on local weather stations and basic weather prediction models. These methods, while essential, were often insufficient to provide a comprehensive understanding of drought conditions. They offered a restricted view, confined by geographical boundaries and the constraints of human observation. The advent of satellites, however, marked a significant turning point. Launched into the Earth's orbit, these high-tech observers provided a bird's-eye view of our planet's weather patterns. Initially, they were used primarily for weather forecasting, tracking storms, monitoring temperature variations, and predicting rainfall. This marked the beginning of a new era in weather observation and prediction. But it was the development of specialized satellites that truly revolutionized drought monitoring. These satellites, armed with advanced sensors, were capable of analyzing soil moisture levels and water availability from the vastness of space. They peered beneath the Earth's surface, providing crucial data on the moisture content of the soil. This information was invaluable in assessing the likelihood of drought conditions and helped scientists understand the complex interplay between land, atmosphere, and water. These satellites also monitor water availability, tracking the ebb and flow of rivers, lakes, and groundwater reservoirs. This data is critical in understanding how drought conditions can affect water resources, offering valuable insight into potential water shortages and the subsequent impact on agriculture and water management. This revolution in technology has not only improved drought monitoring, but has also opened up new possibilities. With the ability to monitor conditions on a global scale, we can better predict and respond to the impacts of climate change. Moreover, these advancements have empowered us to proactively manage water resources, protect our food supplies, and ultimately safeguard our future. Now we have a bird's-eye view of our planet's water resources, but what does this mean for us? Well, for starters, space technology offers us the advantage of early detection of drought conditions. Think of it as a heads-up from the universe. This early warning system allows governments, communities, and individuals to better plan and respond to impending water shortages. It's like having a weather forecast, but for water. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now let's talk about the farmers, the backbone of our societies. With accurate drought predictions, they can adjust their farming practices accordingly. This could mean changing crop types, altering planting schedules, or implementing water conservation measures. This is not just about saving water. It's about safeguarding our food supplies. Space technology, in essence, is helping to ensure that no one goes to bed hungry. Next up, we have water management. It's a complex task, balancing the water needs of millions, even billions of people. But space technology is stepping up to the plate. By providing accurate data on water availability, it enables authorities to allocate resources more effectively. This means water can be directed where it's needed most, preventing wastage and promoting equitable access. Finally, let's touch on the big one, climate change. We're all aware of its threats, but tackling it requires solid data. And that's where space technology comes in. By monitoring global drought conditions, it provides crucial data to scientists and policymakers. This information aids in understanding the impacts of climate change, helping us to develop effective strategies to combat it. The power of space technology in monitoring drought conditions is a testament to human ingenuity, offering hope in our ongoing struggle against water scarcity. So, as we look to the stars, we're not just dreaming of distant galaxies. We're using the power of space to secure a sustainable future right here on our own blue planet.